Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can password protect your in-development pages on Needlecloud. This is particularly useful if you're working together with a client and you want data to stay confidential until a product's release. When you send someone a link to the project, they will have to enter a password that you can provide via the dashboard. To do so, on any project you can click on Edit Info, and then there's a password section at the bottom here. So I can put in a password and click on Save Changes. And now there's a little lock next to the project name, which shows that this project's pages are protected. If we now go to the latest version of this asset, we will be greeted with a page that asks for authentication. And if we don't know the right password, then we can't access the content of that page. If we do, we can enter the password and access the page as usual. Keep in mind that all pages for this asset will be password protected, including the main one. So if you want to make the page public under this URL, then you'll have to remove the password protection again. If you change your mind later, and now your pages will be accessible again without having to enter a password. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.